195. Google keeps finding more places to show shopping ads as merchants or sellers prioritize those ads over regular text ads. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video where I will give you my top tips to maximize your shopping ad results with Google search partners. Google is constantly opening up more inventory to standard shopping campaigns, and it's been announced that if a campaign is opted into the display network, product shopping and showcase shopping ads will now be eligible to show on Gmail as well as YouTube and Discover feeds. Google had already extended showcase shopping ads to YouTube and Discover in 2019. But until now, smart shopping campaigns were the only way to get shopping ads visible on Gmail. So, how do you enable shopping ads? If you go into the web interface, you'll already see the option to include YouTube, Gmail, and Discover from the network section in your shopping campaign settings. All you need to do is opt into Search Network, which then opens shopping campaigns up to show in image searches. If you're using the Google Ads API or AdWords API, you'll need to set your shopping campaign network settings, that's called Target Content Network, to True. What difference does this make to your shopping campaigns? Google is putting shopping campaigns ads across its properties and now further opening demand in Gmail and Discover, where Google has been treading cautiously until now. At the same time, retailers have been steadily shifting more of their search budgets from text to shopping ads, mainly because of the high visible impact. The expansion to Gmail, YouTube, and Discover means shopping campaigns are potentially targeting users across a wider spectrum of the sales funnel. So, what about reporting? Google Ads groups all the performance metrics from YouTube, Gmail, and Discover together under the display network. So there's no way to see performance by property. But if you segment your shopping campaigns by network, you will be able to see each of these channels are performing under the Google display network grouping and whether reach expands. In other words, from the addition But if you segment your shopping campaigns by network, you will be able to see each of these channels and how they are performing under the Google display network grouping. Don't be surprised to see lower CTRs on Google display network traffic, as these impressions are more likely to reach users higher in the funnel and at different stages of intent than search traffic alone. If you are already using shopping ads, don't miss this opportunity to showcase your products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.